Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2015 Kia Cadenza Premium in Aurora Black with HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, brake assist, power heated mirrors, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 10-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, split folding rear seats, 3.3-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6829A.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.